Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare brinjal saar. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 5 brinjal, 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1½ teaspoon of Bafat powder, salt as per taste, and for seasoning, oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Let's start the preparation. Cut the brinjal and soak it in water. Now in a vessel add 2 glasses of water. Add brinjal, tomatoes, onion and start cooking. Add salt as per taste. Close the lid and let it cook. Once cooked, add 1½ teaspoon of Bafat powder. You can adjust as per your spiciness. Mix it and let it cook. Now let's prepare the seasoning. Add few tablespoons of oil. Add mustard. Let the mustard splutter. Then add garlic cloves. Add the seasoning to saar. Yummy! Brinjal saar is ready. Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.